everyone, welcome back again on my channel today. If this is your first time being here, hi, my name is Bukola and you're welcome on my channel. And you guys, today I'm going to be talking about 4 top coins that I want you to add to your shopping list in 2022. Just in case you're just getting into the cryptocurrency market, I want you to know that sometimes one of the most difficult things is to find the coin to invest into. There are 2 types of trading. You can invest and you can as well daily trade. Those who do daily trade are those who are constantly with their system analyzing the market to know if it's going to be an upward trend or a downward trend. So I have 4 coins here that I want to talk to you about, just in case you're a beginner and you don't know where to start from. These coins are promising. Before I go further, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor, and I want you to go further on doing your own research as well, as I put you guys through and talk about these 4 coins that seems very promising and that will be able to deliver a good amount of profit in the following year. So guys, the very first coin I want to talk about is Tron. I know you guys might have probably heard about Tron before. Tron is one of the largest cryptocurrency in the world, and its native digital token is the TRX, which is listed on more than 130 exchange hub. And you guys, this is one of the reasons why it is one of the largest cryptocurrency in the world. People are really buying coin. People are really interested in that coin as well. This coin trading volume has surpassed 1.5 billion US dollars. It is so promising. One of the things we check when we want to kind of like figure out coin to invest into is to check the number of exchange hubs that they have been listed, just to be sure. Sometimes you know this coin is very reliable. When you see them being listed on Robinhood, Coinbase, you will know these coins are very reliable and they are very promising as well. So Tron is one of them, and you don't want to miss out. So just in case you want to get a coin to invest into, you might probably look into coin, because I don't want you to miss out on the profits that Tron has to deliver next year. The second one that I have here is Sapphire. Sapphire is a cryptocurrency that is valued at a fully diluted market cap of 128.7 million US dollars, and Sapphire has been flying under the radar until now. It is a next generation non-custodial identity wallet and blockchain infrastructure provider for the decentralized cryptoverse. So Sapphire aims to provide security to manage and store over 500 digital assets with a master key that is protected by the user's on-chain identity. So given the risk associated with storing cryptocurrency in a secure manner, Sapphire is focused on creating a platform where users and developers can access and build on decentralized infrastructure. So right now it is difficult to build applications on blockchain's network because the knowledge in the industry is very limited. So it can be some cumbersome for web developers to build apps that can integrate with blockchain network, and as well Sapphire aims to solve all of these problems, and this makes Sapphire very promising to buy and very promising to invest into. Okay, it is already close to a $4 million funding round, which was led by MapleBlock, GRS, and Sanctum, and among other points as well. So this makes Sapphire a coin you don't want to miss out on. I don't want you to miss out on the profits that Sapphire has to deliver next year. Make sure that you add it to your shopping list of cryptocurrencies next year. The third one on my list that I want to talk about is QUAN. QUAN is valued at a market cap of $85 million, and the QUAN cryptocurrency has risen almost 300% in the last 3 months. So imagine you have invested into it last 3 months, your money should be up by 300%. This is so promising, you guys, and consider the fact that it has been listed on so many exchange hubs as well. It is looking very promising and as well very profiting. Okay, so developers and enterprises can build quantum resistant smart contracts as well as decentralized applications, in addition to DeFi solution and NFT on the QUAN blockchain network in any programming language. And you guys know what NFTs are saying. I'm still going to talk more on NFT as well and tell you how you can buy NFT cryptocurrency. And if you don't want to miss out on all of this information, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and make sure that your post notification is turned on as I share to you guys news that will give you money. Okay, one utility token called the QUAN was recently listed on gate.io, which is a centralized exchange. So the listing should increase liquidity and demand for the QUAN token in 2020 and beyond. Like I said earlier, one of the things we look at is the number of exchange hubs that these coins have been listed on, and recently this coin was listed on gate.io, which shows that it is going to really blow up. I want you guys to know that whenever it has been announced that a coin is going to be listed on a particular exchange hub, there is a probability, in fact almost all of the time, 80% probability of it going up, because it's going to attract new investors. Okay, and so much people are going to like believe in the coin. So all of this exchange app makes it easier for big investors to come into the coin or come into the cryptocurrency market. Okay, the last one that I want to talk about, which is very important as well, is self-key. So self-key is the final cryptocurrency on my list, and which is a blockchain network that is building a digital identity system to manage and process identity. The blockchain identity management market is forecast to touch about 2 billion users by 2023. You don't want to miss out. These are coins you can get into it. They are still very early. You don't want to miss out. It's still very promising and going to be very profiting, and you are not supposed to miss out on this. So add this to your shopping list of cryptocurrencies that you're going to be buying next year. And if you are a beginner as well, this is another coin that is so promising, that is about a good percentage that is going to give you a very good profit as well. Cryptocurrency has been forecasted to touch about $2 billion in 2023, up from a $90.4 million in 2018, indicating annual growth of 84.5%. I want you to know that if you put your money in the bank, it's not going to be up 84.5%. So this is another reason why you can try investing in coins that will deliver good amounts of profit for you. So the self-key network is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and the key token was launched back in 2018. And additionally, the network flagship product is the self-key wallet, where users can control their digital identity, and the wallet is compatible with other hardware wallets that include Trezor and as well as Ledger. So self-key expanding its suite of solution will enable access to multiple fintech products and services going forward. So these are 4 coins that I don't want you to miss out on. These are 4 coins that I want you to go research more on. These are 4 coins that seems promising and that will be able to deliver good amount of profit by next year that I don't want to miss out on. So make sure that you check out this coin, and make sure that if possible for you, you add them to your shopping list for the list of cryptocurrency that you will be buying in 2022. Let me know which of these coins you're holding, and even if you're not holding any of these coins, let me know the coins you're holding currently in the comment section. I am holding so much coin, Shiba Inu, I am holding Tron as well, I am holding Cardano as well, I'm holding Bitcoin. So let me know which of these ones are you holding in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I want you to smash the subscribe button before you go to help my algorithm, and I will definitely talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.